Habakan tho halor ke jingkiam ki pulit yom miban size naitang ringkat ki khatar ngot ki nong para jong u haka santarik unai lor araja arpusan haka bala kurup na lightly ki kali ki baki pendon kam ya ki airgun ki air pistol lam ki we ki tiar ke Dr. Ampareen lingdo ke menteri bedai kmi ya ketanat lo kala ong kum ke regiment ke ai jingiro ya ki bor pulit Habakran sigilat pathai kubor ke Dr. Ampareen lingdo kala ong bakum ke nong song snong ke penpau ke jing sngongu ya ki pulit ki balak kam ya ki ni brio da ke penpau bana ke jing pau pathai ke ni ke kam kan penlong ya ke sarkar bakan kmi banyak biang ya ki polisi nalor kata kala ong bakam dan jing tip bala dau nu ubri unla ban yo ya ke Z+ protection Hynrei an hab ban pendu ya kum kini ki kam bat benrap baka jing le ki pulit kalong ke babahatam.
When that story first broke, I was wondering whether everything was all right and that safety was not compromised, because suddenly there was this huge display of arms and ammunition that kind of took citizens by surprise. So I don't know whether this is permissible as per law. I don't know whether necessary processes of requests or permissions to have access and to be using all those kinds of machinery were in order. Likely the police department will already be engaging right now as we speak on what is legal and what is illegal. So allow me therefore to say that as a citizen, I would give great credit to the police. Don't know what tipped them, don't know what prompted them to take that raid on the road, but I must say that with this one exposure, probably now as a government, we will be forced to look at the policies in position and to review them at the earliest. Whether one individual is permitted a Z category cordoning and protection by fake ammunition and guns, because if you tell me whether an air gun is really dangerous or not dangerous, I have no idea. But we have to stop this culture. We have to stop and arrest it immediately. We should disallow. Z categories are Z categories, Y categories are Y categories. There should be no confusion to the public of masking of interpretation of law and security provisions that citizens can have. So yes, the police have done a right thing to expose this entire episode, and I'm sure that the Honorable DCM will make a statement whenever the report is ready.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya